Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Riana Nabil Khairona, and in this video saya akan menjelaskan tentang 6 materi, yaitu effective reading strategies, paragraph pattern, main idea and supporting details, implement main idea, inference, dan context loop. Why is reading important? Reading expands your knowledge, broadens your perspective, and stimulates your brain to imagine. It offers insight from diverse voices and concepts, allowing you to understand different culture and viewpoints. Nah, selanjutnya, apa itu effective reading? Jadi, effective reading, effectively you will learn to question and survey the text you are reading to gain a better understanding of your subject. By improving your reading skill, you can reduce unnecessary reading time, and this will enable you will read in a more focused manner. Selanjutnya ada tipe dari effective reading strategies. Yang pertama, review and predicting. Yang kedua ada skimming and scanning. Yang ketiga ada effective reading. Yang keempat ada intensive reading. Lalu benefit of using reading strategies. Yang pertama, improve your reading comprehension and recall. Yang kedua, read faster and more effectively. Yang ketiga ada enhance critical thinking and engagement. Yang keempat ada develop effective study habits. Lalu ada tip for effective reading. Yang pertama, your reading list provide a good starting point for reading materials relevant to your course. Yang kedua, go beyond your reading list to find additional reading materials. Yang ketiga, be selective about what you read and remember you can read everything. Yang keempat, use an effective reading strategies such as Q3R. Survey, question, read, recall, and review. Next materi yaitu paragraph pattern. Paragraph pattern refers to the way writers organize idea and argument in a text to present information coherently, clearly, and meaningfully to readers. This pattern is also known as paragraph development pattern or paragraph organization pattern. Lalu, apa sih fungsi dari paragraph pattern? Yang pertama, fungsi bagi pembaca, yaitu memfasilitasi pemahaman. Yang kedua adalah mengidentifikasi gagasan utama. Yang ketiga, menjaga aliran pikiran. Sedangkan fungsi untuk penulis yaitu menciptakan tulisan yang komunikatif. Yang kedua, mengembangkan ide secara terstruktur. Yang ketiga, menjelaskan ide secara rinci. Yang keempat, menjaga alur tulisan yang koheren. Lalu, ada apa saja sih tipe dari paragraph pattern? Yang pertama adalah cause and effect. Yang kedua, description. Yang ketiga ada definition. Yang keempat ada chronological. Yang kelima ada comparison and contrast. Yang keenam ada simple listing. Materi selanjutnya yaitu main idea and supporting details. What is a main idea? Main idea is the big point or the most important idea that the writer communicates to the reader. Often, the reader can find the main idea just by looking at the title. Main idea ini ada dua jenis, ada state dan ada implied. Kalau state itu can be found in one of the sentence, bisa di first sentence, last, atau middle. Sedangkan implied itu not directly state. Selanjutnya, what are supporting details? Text a fact, example, explanation, or description that help explain or prove the main idea of the text or the paragraph. Example for main idea yang stage, Anda Beach is an amazing place to be during summer. It is a beach with powdery sand The conscious line goes on for a long way and many people enjoy walking along it. Children like to play in the surf and walk along the rocks that are visible at low tide. Nah, dari kalimat yang sudah saya bacakan, main idea dari kalimat tersebut adalah Anda Beach is a great place to be during summer, yaitu terletak di first sentence. Untuk contoh yang kedua dari main idea yang bagian implied, yaitu Sandy is a member of a ground choir. She also sings a solo every week and raises positive comment. Last Sunday, Mrs. Smith said Sandy has a voice of an angel. We all agree with her. I think she will be famous one day. Nah, dari kalimat yang sudah saya bacakan, main idea dari kalimat tersebut adalah Sandy is a great singer. Materi selanjutnya yaitu implied main idea. The background of an implied main idea refers to context or circumstance that lead to the understanding of the central concept. Here's how to break it down. The primary point or message of a passage that isn't directly stated but is suggested by the supporting details and context. Selanjutnya, karakteristik features. Number 1, unstate. Selanjutnya, contextual clue. Nomor 3, theme and tone. 4, supporting details. Nomor 5, reader interpretation. Materi selanjutnya yaitu inference. What is inference? Inference itu sama dengan drawing conclusion beyond what is written. Combine information from the text and background knowledge. Helps reader understand implied meaning. Why is inference important? Yang pertama, helps find the author intention. Yang kedua, understand hidden meanings. Yang ketiga, improve critical thinking. Yang keempat, makes reading more meaningful. Lalu, how to make inference? Read the text carefully, find clue, word, phrases, situation. Yang ketiga, connect with your own knowledge. Yang keempat, draw a reasonable conclusion. Contohnya, it was raining. She carried an umbrella. Inference-nya yaitu she wanted to avoid getting wet. Materi yang terakhir yaitu context clue. What are context clue? Context clue are words or phrases around a knowledge word that helps reading gauge the meaning. Jadi, dalam membaca, konteks clue adalah petunjuk di sekitar Anda yang tidak dikenal untuk menebak maknanya. Why are context clue important? It helps understanding unfamiliar context without a dictionary, improve reading comprehension, and make reading faster and easier. Type of context clue, there are 5. Number 1 is definition, kedua synonym, ketiga antonym, yang keempat example, yang kelima adalah inference. Yang pertama, definition. A definition context clue give a exact meaning of the word directly in the sentence. The writer defines the word right after it appears, often using comma, dices, or clue words. Contohnya, a natural animal, which means it's active at night, usually sleep during the day. Signal wordnya is, mean, refer to its call, that's it, in another word, which mean. Selanjutnya ada synonym. A synonym context clue use a word with a similar meaning to help the reader understand a new word. Contohnya, the teacher was benevolent or kind and generous to her student. Signal words-nya or, also, similar to, in another words, that is. Selanjutnya ada anonym. An anonym context clue give the meaning of the word through contrast or opposite idea. The sentence includes an opposite word that to help you understand. Contohnya, unlike his arrogant brother, James is very humble. Signal words-nya but, however, although, unlike, in contrast, and whereas. Selanjutnya ada example. An example context clue explain a word by giving specific example that show what it means. Contohnya, arthropods such as insects, spiders, and crabs have exoskeletons. Signal words-nya such as, for example, for instance, including, like, specifically. Yang terakhir ada inference. Inference context clue don't give a direct definition. Instead, you have to infer, guess, the meaning from the general idea or situation in the sentence. Contohnya, after a long day, hot rice, Carlos was praised. He drank 3 bottles of water immediately. Signal words-nya itu nggak ada karena kita harus menebak dari general idea or situation di sentence itu sendiri.